Matthew Malone. I am an ESL teacher here, head teacher to be precise. I teach the general English courses in the morning and the electives in the afternoon. I would probably say the academic skills course in the afternoon. I'm an IELTS examiner as well as a teacher, so I'm really knowledgeable about that, and I love helping the students get the scores they need. I love being able to talk to people from all over the world. I really love having students from everywhere. I've got African students, I've got South American students, I've got Asian students, European students. I've got students from all over the world of all different ages, and they all interact beautifully together in the classrooms. This is a family. This school is really close-knit. 11 years I've worked here now, and I've never been in a school that's been so close-knit before. Once you're a student here, you're always a student here, and that feeling of family just brings us together, the teaching staff as well as the students. We're all one big happy family. It makes my job so enjoyable when I see someone succeed. When I've taught a student something and then they go on to use it perfectly, it's the most basic thing about teaching that I think when you see involvement in the classroom and then that involvement is then shown in real life and they can take what they learn in real life and succeed, it provides me with success as well. The students are wonderful. They teach me so much, honestly. I learn every single day when I'm in the class. I hope they learn every single day as well. I'm sure they do. But it's the students' enjoyment that really, it reverberates with me. It makes me want to teach even more passionately. When my students are enjoying the classes and what I'm teaching them, it makes me enjoy my life and my job every day. Once again, we're very close. I've worked with a lot of the people here for a very long time. We go out, we drink, we do activities. We even had a dodgeball team for a while, which was so much fun. The people here are very knowledgeable about what they do. We're different. We're all different. Ryan's a very serious teacher, but he's amazing in terms of his business skills. You know, Aaron loves his pronunciation and he loves playing games. Me, I'm that traditional sort of sit down, work hard, get your books out, help each other, do the homework, and I think students enjoy my classes as well. Apart from money, nah. No, it really is how much the students teach me. I learn every day, and I don't think there's other jobs out there, or there are other jobs out there that are like that. I'm getting better every year as a teacher, and I'm getting better as a person because my students really make me a better person.